Okay, so here we are, Heritage Asphalt. Just looking at these pavement lights. So what we've got here, we've got this trough here. So we've got some leaking going on here, just up at Old Street and right the way through there, both sides. And we've got some open joints here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this area here where they've applied this mortar mix, break it out back to the asphalt joint, warm and clean the joint, install a batten, offset batten, prime, re-asphalt it, and then obviously put a hot pour through there, and every single joint there, cut out and reinstate that one. So just looking at it through there, so this really is the only solution here, just to create a sealed joint around the roof light. Please see more videos from Heritage Asphalt.